Today, we are going to begin a deep cleansing skincare ritual designed to gently care for acne-prone skin, remove blackheads, clean deep pores, and restore a healthy, natural glow. Nothing is rushed. Every step is slow, gentle, and calming. Let your shoulders drop, relax your jaw, close your eyes, and allow the sounds, the movements, and the care to bring you peace. Step 1. Preparing the skin cherry blossom. Before we touch the skin, we must prepare it. Clean hands, sanitized tools, and a calm environment. The skin responds best to care when it feels safe and respected. We gently tie back the hair, keeping the face open and free. A soft towel is placed around the shoulders, creating warmth and comfort. This is not just skincare, this is self-care. Step 2. Gentle makeup and impurity removal. Using a mild cleansing oil or micellar water, we softly glide over the skin, lifting away makeup, sunscreen, and surface impurities. No harsh rubbing, no pressure, just slow, circular movements. You may feel the skin beginning to relax, to soften, to release the day. This step ensures that the pores are not blocked. Step 3. First cleansing, surface clean. Now we apply a gentle foam cleanser, light, airy, and soothing. Using our fingertips, we massage the cleanser into the skin, small circles, around the cheeks, the nose, the chin, and the forehead. This removes sweat, dust, and environmental pollution. The foam is rinsed away with lukewarm water, never hot, never cold. The skin already feels fresh, but we are just beginning. Step 4. Steam therapy. Opening the pores symbol. Now, we introduce warm steam. The steam slowly rises, wrapping the face in gentle warmth. This step is essential. It helps to open the pores, soften blackheads, and loosen trapped oil. Breathe slowly, in and out. The steam relaxes facial muscles, improves blood circulation, and prepares the skin for extraction. This is a moment of deep calm. Step 5. Skin analysis. Left pointing magnifying glass. As the skin softens, we carefully observe blackheads on the nose, whiteheads on the chin, congested pores on the cheeks. Every skin tells a story. Oily zones, dry patches, sensitive areas. Understanding the skin helps us treat it gently and effectively. Step 6. Exfoliation. Removing dead skin herb. Now we apply a mild exfoliating gel. No harsh scrubs, no sharp grains, just enzymes or gentle microparticles. Using slow circular motions, we lift away dead skin cells. This step allows new, healthy skin to emerge. Blackheads become more visible and easier to remove. The skin feels smoother, cleaner, and refreshed. Step 7. Softening blackheads. A special blackhead softening solution is applied. This solution penetrates deep into the pores, loosening hardened sebum. We focus on the nose, chin, and forehead. The skin continues to soften, making extraction safer and less painful. Step 8. Extraction preparation. Sparkles. Now, we prepare for extraction. Sterilized tools, clean gloves, steady hands. This step requires patience and respect for the skin. We never force, we never rush. Step 9. Blackhead extraction. Nose. Starting with the nose, gentle pressure is applied around each pore. Slow, controlled, precise. The blackhead releases smoothly, the pore is cleared, and immediately cleaned. Each extraction is followed by calming pressure. To reduce redness, the skin is protected at all times. Step 10. Chin and jawline extraction. Blossom. Moving to the chin, whiteheads, small clogged pores. Again, gentle pressure, never squeezing aggressively. The skin thanks us for patience. Step 11. Cheeks and T-zone cleaning. Crescent moon. The cheeks are delicate. Only visible congestion is treated. No unnecessary extractions. The goal is healthy skin, not irritation. Step 12. Antibacterial toning droplet. A calming toner is now applied. This closes pores, kills bacteria, and restores pH balance. The skin begins to cool and relax again. Step 13. High frequency. Optional. High voltage sign. A soft high frequency wand is used. This helps reduce acne-causing bacteria, calms inflammation, and promotes healing. You may hear a gentle buzzing sound. Very soft, very relaxing. Step 14. Soothing serum application. Herb. A lightweight serum is gently pressed into the skin, rich in niacinamide, tea tree, or Centella asiatica. This step hydrates, calms, and repairs.